Everybody, I'm Oscar from Hand Vapes, and if I look a little weird right now, I just got off work and I just wanted to make this video because I just got something in the mail and I wanted to show all of you. So I got my package from Cloud of Vapor. You know, it's discreet packaging. It doesn't say where it came from on it. The only thing damaged to the package is there's a rip in it. I don't know if my family member did that or if it just came in like that, but you know, usually when I order from them, it's always amazing. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to start from the already ripped portion. And I am expecting some things, 3 things, so let's see what we got. So on this piece of paper, we got Cloud of Vapor, looks like business card. Yep, Cloud of Vapor business card. And then you just have your standard receipt. And then the packaging, for the packaging, it comes very, very nice packaging. I've always liked their packaging. And here is the package itself. So let's open this guy up and see what we have in store for you. Perfect. So I got both the flavors I ordered. Let's pull out these flavors so you guys can see them. I ordered Black Cherry. I misplaced my e-cig, so I can't like show you guys these right now, but I will have these reviews up. And then I got Menthol Tobacco, so that one should be good. And then I got myself a battery for my rebuildable e-cig, which is somewhere around here. And I'm gonna go grab my rebuildable e-cig and then I'll show you how it goes, if I can find it. I have no idea where it is. Yeah, 1 second. No idea where the hell it could be. I wish I knew where my e-cig was. God damn it. Sorry guys, I haven't even changed out of work clothes yet. Alright, well, I can't find my rebuildable e-cig right now, but when I do, I'll show you how it works. Thanks for watching Hand Vapes, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.